Hi, this is Edye Beans. We are at the beautiful Cypress Glen campground in Brooksville, Florida. And today on Cooking with Edye, I am making Alabama pecan bread. Sounds delicious. Of course, using minimal ingredients, easy to make, easy to bake, easy to eat. I love this recipe because while I was stationed in Montgomery, Alabama, I had the best time making this pecan bread. The recipe will be in the description below, along with links to the Omnia products. If you feel so inclined, please click that like button, hit that notification bell, and of course, please do subscribe to the Little House of Beans. It means the world to us and will help our little channel grow. I'm ready. I'm ready to eat too. Let's get cooking. One cup of vegetable oil. So this will bake for approximately 35 minutes, and now would be a great time. If you are enjoying this recipe, please click a thumbs up for me.